Hey guys, it's Desi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am unboxing and reviewing this month's BOXYCHARM. I loved all the products that were in this month's box. And if you guys are not convinced to buy BOXYCHARM yet, watch this video and you will be. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I want to say, excuse the crusty background. I'm currently getting some work done on my room, getting some lights installed and stuff. So everything is moved, my bed is moved to the center, and it's just like throwing me off. And I kind of want to figure out like a new background area, like some feng shui. But anyways, so this month's box was actually a lot larger in size, not more products, but like the size was a lot larger than the boxes I usually get, which I honestly like because usually in the small boxes the items are placed very strategically, like a puzzle, so that they can fit in the small box. And with this one, like I put all the items back in the box and I could fit it. Y'all know with the small boxes I can't put the stuff back in them. So the theme to this month's box was Fresh Start, and I honestly think all the products go with the theme because they are like very fresh products, and I think this is a really good theme because, you know, new year, new me. So the first product is one that I really like a lot. I have been using it for almost a week now, and I can say I do like it. I do enjoy it. It is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with moringa and papaya. So this is what it looks like. It is a relatively big container, and I do know that this one is specifically made for BOXYCHARM only. I do enjoy pharmacy products. I have a few of their other products and I really like the quality of them. This one sells for $38. So already within the first product, you have gotten the entire worth of your box. Y'all, ignore me using my crusty finger to apply it. It's just so much easier. So the scent is light. It is not like an overwhelming sweet scent, but it does have a hint of sweetness. But overall it smells very fresh, which I like a lot. And it doesn't leave my skin feeling oily or sticky. I know that some moisturizers leave my face feeling sticky, and this one actually does help keep the moisture in my skin. There's some moisturizers where it's just like pointless, like they don't even really moisturize your skin. But especially right now, I deal with really dry skin in the winter, especially around my nose area, and I usually on an everyday basis use the Neutrogena Hydro moisturizer, like the water one. It's like in a blue bottle, and when I go around those dry areas it does burn. So I like that this one is super calm on the skin and it does not irritate my skin. Y'all, I have mastered the blowout, but these baby hairs. The next product is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This product on its own is $82, so I have a couple products from Dr. Brandt and I honestly really think they work. So Dr. Brandt is actually a really good brand, and actually a lot of products from his usually come in the BOXYCHARM. I know a couple of the products that I already have, I have gotten in my BOXYCHARM. So like before with the moisturizer, I have been using this one for about a week now, and I actually really like it because, as you can see, I struggle with dark circles under my eyes. And I've tried so many remedies, so many creams, just so much stuff for my dark circles, and I just cannot get them to go away. I don't know if it's because I'm not sleeping enough but I never had dark circles in my life until I started college, and since then I cannot get them to go away. So I'm just gonna be applying a little bit under my eyes and using my busted finger to rub it in. And this eye cream kind of smells like eucalyptus, like tea tree eucalyptus vibes, like just like a very clean scent, clean and fresh. I don't really like when products have a very heavy sweet scent. The only thing that I like to smell sweet is like my perfumes and lotions, but anything face related, eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow palettes that smell like chocolate, face palettes, anything that I'm putting on my face, I do not like anything that's heavily scented or heavily sweet scented. So the next product I actually really love. I don't know if this one is my favorite product, but I actually really enjoyed this product. And it is the Lifestyle Co. Reset Mist. So what this is this is a lavender scented mist. It is quartz infused, as you can see in the bottom. It has some quartz crystals, and I love quartz crystals. So I feel like that was really cute. And rose quartz is good for love, which is a coincidence because this is actually a linen spray. So how I like to use this is once my sheets come out of the washer and the dryer, or whenever I'm making my bed, I like to spray this down onto my bed, and it just keeps it smelling fresh and pretty all day. I actually have a mist just like this, but I got it off of Amazon. And it is not as aesthetically pleasing as this bottle. I like that this one's glass and it looks really cute, so I can just keep it on my nightstand. The other bottle that I have is just brown and not cute to look at. And I like that the scent on this is not very heavy. It is a very light, fresh scent. It's not overwhelming. And it says that you could also use this as a body spray. Personally, I would not, but this is originally $36. And I can say this is something that I will be repurchasing because I loved it so much. So the next product is from Queen Cosmetics. It is the Dragon Duo Eyeliner Duo. So it comes with a liquid liner and a gel liner for your waterline. I will not be demonstrating these on my eye today because I just want to go for like a really light, fresh look. So I don't want to use liner, but I did use the liquid liner already, and it is so bomb. It dries so quick, it's super matte, and it did not budge all day long. So this one is the liquid liner. Whoa, it's a little crooked. As you can see, it's super dark, super black. It is already drying on the hand. And this one is the gel liner. Oh my, I'm so bad at swatches. But what I really like about this is that it came with both of them. So you have a liner for your waterline and a liquid liner. I've never seen something come with both of these before, so that was real smart. This goes for $28 at the store, so $30 for 2 liners. That is such a good deal. And as you can see, they don't budge at all. And lastly, we have this Ciate London Velvet palette. The texture of the palette is so soft and it just feels super nice. So, funny story, I actually filmed this video already, but the camera was not in focus at all. But because I wasn't wearing my glasses, I was looking at it and I was like, oh, it's a little blurry, but because I'm not wearing my glasses. So come time to edit it, I'm editing this and I'm like, oh my gosh, this looks like shit. Like, it was not focused, like it was just a mess. But anyways, the first time when I was opening this palette, literally every single, oh, I can't even open it. Literally every single pan of eyeshadow fell out. So if you have this palette and mine looks a little different than yours, it is because I reconstructed it completely. So our colors might be in different areas. Don't even worry about it. So this is what the palette looks like. The colors are super beautiful. I like that it does have a range of colors. So the look I'm gonna do today, like I said, I want it to be very light, very fresh. So I am gonna keep it very natural with this palette, but I do want to play around with the browns and this yellow. So I definitely will be coming out with a tutorial using this palette very soon. As soon as I get these bad boys off. So I'm going to do a couple swatches for you guys just so you can see how pigmented and beautiful these colors really are. So this is just 4 of the shimmers. Look at how beautiful they are. Look at this bronzy orange color and this yellow. Okay, so as you can see, I primed my eye and I also went ahead and did this one already. It is just like a very natural, fresh kind of look, nothing too dramatic. I really wanted to try out that peach shade in the palette, and then I went ahead and added some shimmer. I didn't want to do anything too crazy because this is my first time having eyelash extensions, and I don't know, I just didn't want to get them dirty and have all types of eyeshadow on it and stuff, which is why I said I will bring you guys a super dramatic look using this palette soon. So to prime my eyes, I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I did not want to use concealer, just like I said. I do not want to get these eyelashes dirty, so I did use that primer. So the first shade I'm going to be taking is this peach shade right here. So I'm going to be taking that shade onto a big fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M573, and I'm just going to be dipping into the palette and tapping the excess off. The other day when I filmed this video for the first time, I did notice that the colors do have quite a bit of fallout, so I do want to take a little bit onto the brush at a time and tap off all the excess. So I'm just going to be packing it into the outer corner area of my eye. And then I'm going to be blending it into my crease area. And as you can see, these colors do kind of have to be built up a little bit more. And as you're blending these colors into your eye, you want to just be sure to go through and blend the edges. You don't want to wait till the end when you're done to go back and blend everything, because it's just going to make it so much harder for you. So you want to like blend the edges out as you go. So as you can see, the color is blended on. One thing I will say about this palette is that the colors do not blend out as easily as other palettes that I have used before. I'm not saying the palette is bad at all. Just if you're a beginner, it might be a little bit more difficult for you to blend out your shadow. Just start with a little bit of product and then work your way up. Y'all, like I was telling you earlier, this is my first time with lash extensions and I just don't know how to take care of them. Like, I'm so stressed. So now that that peach color is all blended on, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It is kind of like a rosy silver kind of pigment. I don't know, not like a rose gold, but it's like a silver kind of. So I'm going to be taking it on my busted finger and just patting it onto the empty area, kind of bringing it a little bit over the peach, but not too much. Y'all, I will say it is so much easier having this finger without a nail. I know it's crusty and dusty and busted, but it just makes my life so much easier. Like, so much easier. Like, if I drop a coin on the floor or my credit card or anything, I don't have to spend 40 minutes sitting there trying to pick it up. I don't know if you guys know, but my nail on this finger was ripped completely off of the nail bed, so I have not been able to get a nail on that finger for maybe 3 months now, and I'm just living my best life. It is so much easier not having a nail on that finger than it is to have one. And now going back in with the color I used to blend the peach, just gonna clean it up a little, blend everything out. And just like that, the eyeshadow is done. She's done. She's cute. Like I said, I just wanted to keep it soft and natural and light. Okay, so clearly I already finished the rest of my face off camera, Of course, if you guys do have any questions about any of the products that I used on my face, do not hesitate to comment down below, and I'm glad to answer any question that you guys have. So now for under eyes. I kept the under eye very simple. I didn't really do anything crazy because the look itself is very natural. So all I really did was apply that same peach color that I applied to the entire lid. I took it onto this super tiny blending brush. This is a Morphe M562, and I just dipped into the color and applied it under my eye. And then I'm not dragging it across the entire under eye. I am just going like 2/3 of the way. So just like that. It is very soft and natural. I know it is a little bit harder to see. I'm not going to be adding any shimmer or anything. I just want this look to be very light and natural. So now for the waterline, I'm just going to be taking this NYX Faux White Liner. This one is in the shade Linen. It is just like a really soft white baby pink color. I wanted a peach, but I was looking through all my liners and they did not have a peach, so it's fine. And just like that, she is done. This look is super cute and simple for just like an everyday look, or if you're going somewhere that's just very casual and you just want to throw something on really quick. This look is perfect for that. Like I said, I am going to be creating a more dramatic look using this palette because I really want to play around with the colors. So overall, this BOXYCHARM was so bomb. If you guys are not subscribed to BOXYCHARM, you definitely need to be. Every single month is just so worth it for $25. And this is not sponsored, but it could be. But yes, definitely hop on the BOXYCHARM wave. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you all enjoyed it. Comment down below what your favorite product was, and I will see you guys in my next video.